Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Apollonia and today I'm going to be doing another curly to straight video. As you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be reviewing the Tymo hair straightening comb. So the Tymo PR team reached out to me asking if I wanted to review one of their devices, and of course I said yes because I've seen so many great reviews on the Tymo hair comb. So I said let me try it out for myself to see how it works on my natural 3C-4A hair. So here I have the Tymo device. It's brand new and unopened. So inside of the packaging comes a small hairbrush, 2 hair clips, which are quite large and would be very useful if you have a lot of hair like myself. It also comes with a branded Tymo heat protecting glove. It will be very useful because sometimes when you're getting your roots or your ends, you get too close to your fingertips and that causes accidents, so I will definitely be using the gloves today. And last but not least, here is the Tymo hair straightening comb. And it's really cute, it's lightweight, and it also comes with a branded velvet Tymo carrying case. So the first thing that I noticed about the Tymo hair straightening comb is that it doesn't have any bristles or any sharp edges. The comb itself is rounded, so the hair is just gonna go straight through, which is great because that means that the hair won't snag. Sometimes I notice with different straightening irons or straightening combs or brushes, the hair tends to get snagged and caught into the bristles, and I feel like it's not going to do that with this, of course, because of the rounded edges, which is really innovative because you don't want your straightening device to be pulling out your hair while you're doing it. So this will be my first time using the device, so I will be showing you exactly how I use it to straighten my hair. As you can see, I have already blow dried my hair previously, just to save us some time. And I have also combed it out. So now what I'm going to do is brush through my hair using the Tymo brush. So the next thing I'm going to be applying is the Fantasia Heat Serum Protector. And this is old school. This is for like an amazing silk press. I use a little bit of this after I have already blow dried my hair, and that way I know that my hair has extra protection, but also that it will have a really nice shiny and sleek look. So I just use maybe about a quarter size. And I just rub that all over the section, and then I'm going to brush it through to make sure that it reaches all of the strands. So now that there is heat protected in my hair, what I like to do next is, of course, section my hair into 4 sections. So now that my hair has been sectioned, we are ready to begin the styling. So the Tymo hair straightening comb has 5 heat settings starting from 266 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up into 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So I like to usually straighten my hair at around 310 up to 340, so I believe that might be the 4th heat setting. So the lights are now steady on the level 4, which is where I want it to be, so that means it should be ready for straightening. Wow guys, do you see how straight this is? Now, excuse my ends because I haven't gotten a trim in a while. I haven't been straightening my hair because it's so hot here in New York City. It's actually 90 degrees with a real feel of 99. So I'm really putting this hair straightening comb to work today. But just looking at how straight it got is amazing. It's silky, it's smooth. I can't wait to see what it does for the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to continue taking small sections. So I just finished straightening the back section of my hair. And honestly, I can say that I'm pretty impressed. I still have to figure out which way to maneuver the hair straightening comb for the best results for me. Since this is a new device, I have to get used to it. But honestly, it's been a one pass so far. So let's just keep going. So I have completely finished straightening my hair using the Tymo hair straightening comb. And I have to say that I am really impressed by the results. As I mentioned before, it is 90 degrees here in New York City with a real feel of 99. So I'm really impressed that my hair even stayed this straight for this long. Towards the end, I went back to touch up my roots and my ends. And I feel like this is actually a really nice result. My hair feels smooth. It's silky. It doesn't feel greasy because of the heat protectant. I used a little bit, so it was just enough to give me a nice shine. My hair doesn't feel or smell burnt or fried, which sometimes happens when you're using hot combs or flat irons. I feel like this would be a really nice go-to device whenever I want a quick touch up to straighten my hair as opposed to using a flat iron device. There is a little bit of a learning curve when it comes to straightening the roots of your hair and then also trying to straighten out the ends of it. But I feel like with more practice, I'll be able to get it down pat very easily. I've seen YouTubers like Amber Nash use this device, so I know people with thicker and curlier hair than mine will actually get some use out of this. So I feel like this can be used for any and every hair type. So whether you have long hair, curly hair, thick hair, I believe this device can be used by you. Honestly, I have to say I really like this device. My hair feels really nice and silky and smooth. It feels lightweight. Again, I didn't use it on the highest heat setting. I used it on the level 4, which is about a little bit over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And I think that works for me. I don't need my hair to be bone straight at the moment, as again, it's summertime. There's heat and humidity outside, so of course, if I step outside, it's going to get frizzy anyway. But for the sake of showing you how the device works, I definitely give this a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for tuning in today and watching me use the Tymo hair straightening comb. Of course, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you've tried the Tymo hair straightening comb, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Until next time, bye.